What if the sun suddenly vanished? You're strolling along the beach one day when suddenly the sky turns dark as night, the temperature drops dramatically, and you feel a strong gust of wind as the sun vanishes from the sky. It's terrifying, but what actually happens if the sun were to disappear? If the sun were to vanish, we wouldn't even notice it for several minutes. That's because light takes time to travel, and so the first thing we notice is an eerie silence, as the sound waves from the sun's disappearance would take several minutes to reach us. Then we'd feel the searing heat from the sun's corona or outer atmosphere, which reaches 2 million degrees Fahrenheit or 1 million degrees Celsius. This heat would literally burn our entire atmosphere in a matter of seconds, leaving behind a vacuum. But even in this extreme scenario, life might still exist. On the surface, that is, because Earth's core is hot enough to sustain life for several months, and animals that burrow underground could also survive. However, without the sun's gravitational pull, Earth would drift away into outer space and hurtle towards the nearest star, which is Alpha Centauri at 4.37 light years away. It would take 80,000 years for us to reach that star, though. So we'd have plenty of time to get frozen when we reached a distance of 150 million miles or 240 million kilometers from the sun. Earth's orbit would cause us to swing around and head back in the opposite direction, eventually coming back to where we started. But by this time, Earth would be extremely cold, with the average surface temperature dropping to about negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 73 degrees Celsius. At this point, all the water on Earth would freeze and all the plants would die. Only the animals that can survive in sub-zero temperatures would be left, and they'd only survive for a few days until Earth's oxygen ran out. As the sun's gravity keeps Earth in orbit, without the sun, Earth would fly off into outer space. So in short, if the sun were to suddenly vanish, Earth would freeze and humans would die. Now, for more videos of what would happen if, click on the link below, and make sure to subscribe for more fun science videos. Thanks for watching.